For problems 7 through 10 on StudyLink 8.7, we're going to walk you through how to do those 4 fraction problems right now. We start with 5 2/3 plus, and I'm going to write it vertically actually, plus 6 3/8. We need to find a common denominator between 3 and 8. That would be 24. So we're going to change both of these so that they're over 24. To get from 8 to 24, I multiply by 3, so 3 times 3 would be 9. To get from 3 to 24, I multiply by 8, so 2 times 8 would be 16. So I've rewritten that as 16 over 24, and this is now 9 over 24. Now I can just add my 24ths together. 16 plus 9 is 25. 24ths. 5 plus 6 is 11. And then again, I still have an improper fraction here, so I can rewrite this as 1 1/24, which when added with the 11 becomes 12 1/24. That would be my answer for number 7. Number 8 is 3 2/3 minus 7/9, so 0 7/9. Again, I need a common denominator here. I can just leave this one as 9 and multiply this one as 3 by 3 to get 9. So 2 times 3 would give me 6. Then I'd have to do 6 minus 7, which I can't do. This is the trickiest part for 6th graders. Borrowing using subtraction. This is gone now. So in order to make this bigger so I can subtract, I need to borrow from the 3, make that 2. So when I move 1 over here, when we're dealing with ninths, a fraction equal to 1 will be 9/9. So I'm actually adding 9 to this, so this becomes 15/9. 15 minus 7 is 8/9. 2 minus 0 is 2, so 2 8/9 would be the answer for number 2. For number 3, or I'm sorry, for number 8. Moving on to number 9, I have 2 3/5 times 1 3/4. I need to turn these, when I'm dealing with multiplication, I need to turn these into improper fractions. I do 2 times 5 equals 10, plus 3 equals 13/5. So these two are equal, and I'm going to multiply that by 1 times 4, which is 4, plus 3 is 7/4. And then to multiply, I just multiply straight across the top. 13 times 7 is 91. 5 times 4 is 20. So I have 91 over 20, which I can see I could take 4 20s. I could subtract 80 away from here and rewrite that as 4 and see what's left, 11/20. Or I could do 91 divided by 20, work out the long division, and see that you'd end up with 4 remainder 11, which would be 11/20. So that's the answer for number 9. Finally, number 10, 5 1/4 divided by 1 3/7. Again, I need to rewrite these as improper fractions to divide. 5 times 4 plus 1 is 21/4. Divided by 1 times 7 plus 3 is 10/7. I need to rewrite that as multiplying by the reciprocal, so that becomes 21/4 times 7 over 10, and then I just multiply across. 21 times 7 is 147, 4 times 10 is 40, and I think how many 40s can I take out of here? Well, 3 40s will be 120, so if I subtract that away, I'm left with 27/40. And again, if that's difficult for you to understand, just do 147 divided by 40, and like set it up like this, and work that out. You should get 3 with a remainder of 27, which is how we got that answer there. Let us know if you have more questions. Thanks.